here with Williams traction setup. Now because we've just taken a re-X-ray, we've changed it slightly, but basically his initial worst reversal was between C3 and C4. Now that has improved dramatically, so we're pulling it up. He had a decrease in curve between C2 and C3, and that's where we're targeted right now. We've got it at plus 20 degrees. We've got a high stabilization in the back, and this setup allows the C2 vertebra to go into extension to create more curve as we're pulling the curve in here. We've got 25 pounds in the front and a back pull like this, and over time, little by little, this will pull the curve back into his neck. Now, it's been really effective so far, but to always be progressing with this, when we take the comparative x-rays, we make our appropriate changes to keep the process moving forward. And this is Williams traction setup that's going to get it the rest of the correction.